To perform cat camel, you'll get into a tabletop position. You want your knees directly under your hips, hands directly under your shoulders. If this bothers your wrists, you can come up onto a fist, whatever's more comfortable. From here, you want to round up, tucking your pelvis under, looking down, really reaching your belly button as high as you can to the ceiling while rounding your back, pushing through the hands, thinking about being long. And then you'll arch and look up, dropping your belly button towards the floor. Perform 10 to 20 repetitions based on what your therapist has prescribed.